Okay, I have shared that whatever we have done like yesterday and day before, demo 1, 2, 3 sessions, and about the HTML introduction and also like architecture we have discussed yesterday, right? Those all things I have shared you. You can just go through that if you have any doubts. Okay. Okay, any more questions before starting the session? For 5 more minutes, you can ask. After 5 minutes, I'll start the session. Still, people are joining, so let them join. So we'll start in another 5 minutes. Before that, any questions? Did you install Visual Studio? Anyone? Done? Did anyone face any issue? Online or offline students? You are able to install it. Did you execute any example? No, not it. Just download it. Okay, now today I'll execute few programs through the. Okay, am I audible now? I did not speak anything. Can you hear me now? Naresh, can you hear me? Naresh, can you hear me? Others, can you hear me? Akshay, Sai Pavan, yes, okay. Naresh, check from your side. Others can hear, maybe some issue with your network. Okay, good. So in the last session, we have seen few tags, different types of tags like layout tags, presentation tags. What are the layout tags we have seen? Like basic and structural tags like HTML, title, head and body tags we have seen. And also for the presentation tags, we have seen like bold, italic, underline, superscript and subscript. Okay, these all things we have seen in the last session. Okay, so we have done with the 3 demo sessions in the UI. Like in the 3 demo sessions, we have seen about mainly like what you are going to learn in this full stack, and also we have seen about like what are the complete modules and what are the advantages, course and details about the job opportunities, mock interviews, internship. So these all information we have seen in the first 3 demos. Okay, from today the regular session is going to be started, and along with the demo information I also given you like what is about HTML, what is doc type, and we have seen some information about the HTML tags also, how to work with, and we also have seen about the Visual Studio. Okay, those who missed the demo sessions need not worry. Those who wanted to join from the next session or those who is attending from today also, you can just go through the recordings. It is about like the modules and the basics. Even though if you want to join from tomorrow, anyone who is wanted to join from tomorrow or means from the next session, anyway Saturday and Sunday you will not be having the classes. So again the next session will be on Monday, so that anyone if they are willing, let them know they can come from Monday also. So meanwhile anyway the recordings will be available in the internet. They can just go through that and they can start from session from Monday also. If they still have some doubts, I request who is joining, they can start joining 15 minutes or before anything, so that they can clarify your doubts. Or in the session also I can clarify, since it is the beginning of our module. Okay, fine. So I think there are no doubts. If you have doubts, you can still ask me. So we have discussed about the HTML basic tags. So first we have seen about the basic and structural tags like the HTML and the head tag, and also we have seen about the title tag, and we have seen like body, and then we close the HTML. So these are the basic and structural tags we have seen, and also heading tags from H1 to H6. These are the heading tags we have seen. Okay, from H1 to H6, it will display from highest to lowest, that we have seen about the heading tags. And when coming to the presentation tags, we have seen in the presentation tags, What are the presentation tags we have seen? About the bold and then italic tag, underline tag. So mainly we have seen, along with this we have seen the superscript and subscript also. Okay, so these are the tags we have seen in the last session: bold, italic, underline and super and sub. There are still some more presentation tags we have with the HTML. So how to may look the data better. So like to display the text in like a strong format, strong tag, we have a tag called strong. So what does this strong tag will be? It is similar to the bold. What is that? It is similar to the bold. So whenever you write it between strong tags, suppose any text HTML. So student, did you ask me any question or is there any doubt? Someone from the online students? If there is any doubt, you can unmute and ask me. Okay, ma'am, in Visual Studio, I got the code language not supported or defined. How you got, did you follow the steps that I have sent you? Okay, now I will show one example with Visual Studio so that it will be clarified, I guess. Okay, just I will show. So now with the strong tag, whatever you write in between the strong tag, it will be displayed as similar to the bold as a tick, so that it indicates that it is compulsory, like it is very important, the text is very important. So when you open some web application, some text will be visible like in the bold and anything. Suppose in any websites in Flipkart or Amazon, some for some festivals they will keep mobile offers, right? Like there will be discount on credit card or anything, like they'll give extra discount. That extra discount will be like popping up with some strong color and text. So like that we will be using to display some text in the bold or highlight format. Then you can use what? Strong tag. What is that? Strong tag. So like this we have different tags, presentation tags. Okay, so let us see those. Okay, we have seen some bold, italic, underline text, and also like along with that, emphasized tag is there. What is that? EM. EM stands for what? Emphasized text. So like how bold and the strong tag are similar, emphasized and italic text are what? Similar. Both are used for similar purpose, for emphasizing the text in a italic format. And also mark. So what is this mark tag means? Whenever you want in particular a full sentence of text, a particular point you want it as a mark, highlight it, a single part of text, then you will be using what? Mark tag. And whatever you write between small tag, it will be displayed as what? Small. Okay, so let us see some of this tags in the example. So I will show that through the Visual Studio. So the better way is first you create one folder. Wherever you want, you create one folder. Okay, suppose I am creating one folder on desktop itself or any folder inside. So I don't prefer on desktop because it will look clumsy. It is better to save always in any drive. So in C drive, suppose there is a folder called Likita. Okay, inside this I'm saving, or directly in the C drive you want, you can create a new folder. Okay, let's create one folder and let us name the folder. You can right click and say rename the folder. So I'm just giving like HTML new, any name you can give, and then open this. Okay, now let us open the Visual Studio. Already I have opened it, so it will be opening like this by default. Go to this file and click on open folder. What you have to say? Open folder. So when you click on the open folder, you have to go here. So where it is there in C drive, directly we have created one folder. What is the folder name? HTML new. Select this folder and click on this button. What you have to click? select folder. So when you click on the select folder, you will get the folder open like this. So you click on S, so a window will be opened like this. Okay, so just this is a welcome screen, how to new open like this. You have multiple options, you can close all these things. So this is a folder we created. Now here you have option C, new file, new folder. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం సబ్ ఫోల్డర్స్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం బేసిక్ ట్యాగ్స్ మీద చేస్తున్నాం, లేదా ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ట్యాగ్స్ మీద చేస్తున్నాం, నెక్స్ట్ లిస్ట్ ఇంకేదైనా వేరే ట్యాగ్స్ మీద ట్రై చేస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి. సో అప్పుడు మనం ఇంకో ఫోల్డర్ లో సేవ్ చేయొచ్చు. టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, సో దట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఈజీ ఫర్ అస్. Now how to create a new file? Click on this option, new file. Okay, when you click this, it will give you option to save. Okay, so I'm creating like presentation dot html dot what, html. You can click OK. So now presentation dot html is opened. Now here you have to type your code. Okay, you have to type your code with html, and suppose in the head section you're writing in the head section like presentation tags. You're writing like presentation tags, and then in the body tag you'll be writing like remaining part of the code, like bold, italic and all I said, right? So you can write in the bold tag like example on different tags or different presentation tags. Okay, like this you can mention. So whatever we write in the bold, it will be printed as it is. In the same way we have seen about the italic. Okay, so like you can write some option here. We have different versions of HTML, like that you can write. And if you want to display break in the new line, what we have to give? Break tag. So break tag is used to come into the new line. So like this we have the break tag to get into. So along with this, we, as I said, we have one more tag called strong tag. So whatever you give as strong, this means important text. What is that? Important text. Strong means what? Important text. So you can write like this. Okay, so now I'm saving this, and how to run this file. Okay, so you can go to this file and click on run, or you can directly type the shortcut key F5. Then it will ask you with the web Chrome, select this, then it will be opening in the web page. It will be opening in the web page like this. So I'm just increasing the font, you can see. Okay, example of presentation tags. We have, this is in italic, and this is what? Bold format, and this is what? Strong text. So bold and strong are almost the same, but whenever you are giving in strong, that means it is a important text. Okay, so like this we can give. Now, okay, is it clear how to execute with the Visual Studio? Tejasai, is it clear? Just try in this format and let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, like this also we can try. If you have any doubts, let me know. Okay, so after this we also have EM for the emphasized text. So in the emphasized text also, it will be similar to italic text. It will be similar to italic text. Okay, it will be like italicized text. So EM. And then one more tag I said, what? Mark tag. What is that? Mark tag. So now I will be writing like one text like and in between whatever we write mark, it will be coming as a important, like please learn. Okay, I will be writing here in between HTML. Okay, or I will tell like please practice HTML every day. Okay, I'm just writing a note here and writing this HTML between the mark tag. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Once I have already run, it is still running. You can go to the browser and then you can run. So what you are getting here, practice HTML every day. So this HTML is coming in what? Mark, means it is highlighted. So any part of the text in complete web page you want to highlight it, then you have to write in between what tag? Mark tag. So whenever you write in the mark tag, it will be highlighted. So to get properly in new line, so after each and every tag you can use the break tag, so that it will be displayed always in the new line. Okay, once again I'm executing this. See, like this you get in the new line. Okay, just increase the font size so it is displaying like that. Okay, so that is about the mark tag in the presentation, and along with that we have like small. So like whatever I write in the small tag, it will be displayed in small text. So it will be displayed, like I'm writing the tag of like small, and it mean I will write like small text. Save this, and you can go back here to the browser to re-execute. Every time you want to display, you have to refresh the page to apply the style. Mundu save cheyali and then refresh cheyali. See, now all this text is in one size and this text is in what? Small size. Because small text anedi nenu between what tag we have written? Small tag. Okay, so like that we can write. And just next we have a tag called delete tag, del, del tag. So whatever we write in between delete tag, it will be like strike, like a strike through you will be getting. So that you will be learning writing here. The text gets striken. Okay, so just I'm writing one message. So here I'm just writing like HTML older version. Just a message, HTML older version. I'm going to save this and again refresh the page. So I'm just refreshing after each and everything. See, whatever we write in between the del tag, what we got, it is stricken. And along with the del tag, we have something called INS. INS stands for insert. So after the delete, whatever you are writing in between insert, it will be inserted. Like see, HTML older version you want to delete and insert the newer version like HTML5, HTML5, the latest version by W3 consortium. You can write a message like by W3C. So like this you can write. Save this and then you can just go back to the browser and then refresh the page. See here. So whenever you write in between insert like underline, you will be getting underline. That means what? This older version is removed and newly HTML5 has been introduced by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C. So like this. Del is used for what? Strike through, and INS insert is used for what? Underlining the text. Is it clear, everyone? Understood? So like this we can write in the del and insert tag. Okay, so these are like, and we have seen subscript and superscript in the last session. So why we use subscript? Anyone from online? Why we use subscript and superscript? Sub is for chemical formulas like CO2, H2O, like this, anything, H2SO4, any chemical formulas we want as like a subscript you can use. SUP is for the superscript, like as a power, A square, B square, or you want to find out like just to print on the screen. This is not doing any logical, right? HTML is only for structuring the content. It is not adding anything logically. So like that, when you want, you can use a superscript. Yes. Ma'am, do we need to follow indentation or can we write however we want? See, generally, now I'm showing you like normally. Now how you have to follow, we have so many other tags to alignment to the right, left, center, margin. Like this, we have so many styles to arrange it proper. కరెక్ట్ మనం HTML నేర్చుకునేది ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ కంటెంట్ లో ఒక ప్రాపర్ గా డిస్ప్లే చేయడానికి సో అన్ని ఒకసారి నేర్చుకోలేం కాబట్టి స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ నేర్చుకుంటారు మీరు సో హౌ టు అరేంజ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ ఏ మార్జిన్ అండ్ హౌ టు అరేంజ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ ఏ లిస్ట్ ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ అంటే మీకు when you open some web page you will see the list of items in 1 2 3 or Roman numbers ABC. Okay, like that you can display the items in list and also you see some list in table format అంటే ఒక మనకి ప్రాపర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫార్మాట్ లో రావాలంటే ఒక టేబుల్ ఫార్మాట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు బట్ యూ కెన్ మేక్ ద టేబుల్ బార్డర్ యాజ్ 0 అంటే అప్పుడు లైన్స్ కనిపించవు కానీ టెక్స్ట్ మాత్రం ప్రాపర్ అలైన్మెంట్ లో ఉంటుంది ఓకే సో ఆ ఇండెంటేషన్ అంతా కూడా మనం ట్యాగ్స్ తో చేస్తాం ఓకే యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ షోయింగ్ యూ ద presentation tags one by one. Okay, is it clear, ma? So any more questions you have? Yeah, both are almost same, but only the difference is like strong tag indicates that the text is very important. Bold ante just it displays in thick. Just internally when we are using in other files, strong tag indicates that it is very important text. Okay, that is the only difference, but visually there is no difference. Both looks almost same. We cannot identify the difference. Same as emphasized and italic also. Both the text will be coming in italic format only. Okay. And next tag we have as Q tag. What is that? Q. So Q is used for displaying the text in the quotations. What tag we have next? Q tag. So to display text in quotes, like that means what? In quotations. To display the text in quotations we use the text in Q tag. So whatever we write in between the Q tag, it will be displayed in the double quotes. So now see, I'm writing opening and then closing the Q tag. I'm just saving this and go back to the browser and then refresh the page. Can you see? So the text is displayed in double quotes. So ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక బ్రౌజర్ మీద ఏదైనా టెక్స్ట్ డబుల్ కోట్స్ లో రావాలి అనుకుంటే you have to put them in between what tag? Q tag. So it will be coming in the double quotes. Got it? And the next one we have as like BDO tag. So what is this BDO tag? Okay, this BDO tag is used for displaying the text in bidirectional. What is that? Bidirectional. Generally, you will be getting the direction as from left to right. Now you want in reverse direction, then you have to use what? BDO. Then you will be getting the text from what? In reverse. So here direction is equal to, here I am writing BDO, the attribute dir is equal to, in double quotes I am writing RTL. So that in between what I'm writing, the text displays in or from right to left. The text displays from right to left. So that I will be showing bi-directional tag. You can just go back to the browser and then refresh the page. Okay, I will write one break tag. so that it will be easy. BR tag, two more break tags I'll write. I'm going to save this and go back to the browser and refresh the page. You got how the text is displayed in the reverse order from right to the left. The text, okay, whatever we are writing displayed from right to left. Got it? So that how we are displaying by using BDO. Displays from right to left. So these are like some of the important or almost all presentation tags: bold, italic, like strong, emphasized, and also we have mark, small, delete and insert, and also Q and BDO. Clear everyone? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా అండి ఈ tags లో? Both online and offline. Do you have any doubts in these tags? You can please let me know. Zamir, is your doubt cleared about the strong and bold? Okay. So still, if you have any doubts on the presentation tags, you can let me know. So is it confusing if I wrote in single page? Is it clear? Okay. Did you understand everyone? Just మీకు అన్ని presentation ఒక పేజ్ లో ఒక్కొక్కటి స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ రాసి చూపిస్తే మీకు క్లియర్ గా ఉంటుందని రాశాను. So we can write like this. So this is italic and like emphasized text, mark tag, small text, strike through and all. Okay, today like I will be sharing examples also from Monday so that you can practice the same example. Notes తో పాటుగా examples కూడా పంపిస్తాను so that you can practice. And one more thing, from Monday also till like 4th or 5th next month, like we have 4th or 5th, you can enroll. By that time I think they have shared you the free details and all about that, so you can enroll by 5th or 6th of the next month. Okay, so by that time you can arrange and you can enroll it. Okay, new students, those who are joining, for the new joinees I'm telling, still you can attend for 4 or 5 days like sessions for free, and after that time you can enroll, you can complete by the time your enrollment. Okay. So like this you can execute in the Visual Studio. Same thing you can write in Notepad. So if you want in the Notepad, what you have to do, write in the Notepad and then execute it. So already Notepad lo ras execute చేసింది open చేయాలంటే right click on the file and open with Notepad అనొచ్చు, లేదా open with Visual Studio అనొచ్చు. మీరు Visual Studio కనుక ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసేసుకుంటే you can tell open with Visual Studio. Directly it will open with Visual Studio. No problem. Okay. So these are the presentation tags we have that we discussed. And also one more point I want to tell you it, how to write the comments in the Visual Studio, sorry, in the HTML page. మనం ఒక HTML document లో comments ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? So that is a question. So we can write the comments in HTML in following format. Like you can use this bracket and exclamatory symbol, and you use what? Dash. And you can write like comments means what? These are not executable. Just for our understanding. Why we write the comments? Just for our understanding. And you will close the bracket like this. So if you observe, the exclamatory mark will be only in the beginning. It won't be in the end. Okay. So we use this syntax for writing the comments in the HTML. For writing the comments in the HTML. Got it? So whenever you want to write a comment, అంటే మనం ఎప్పుడైనా కోడింగ్ రాసేటప్పుడు కమెంట్ రాసుకుంటే నెక్స్ట్ మనం అది ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఓకే వై వి రైట్ దిస్ కోడ్ అనేది ఆ కమెంట్ చూస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది మనకి. సో ఇన్ HTML టు రైట్ ద కమెంట్స్ we have to use this format. Okay, so you can write like this and you can execute it. Okay, so these are about the comments and the presentation tags in the HTML. About the font tag also we will see. So in the web architecture and the layout tags, we have seen basic structural tags, and also here, okay, in the presentation tags, we have the next tags as the list tags. What are they? List. We have links also. So first we will see the list tag. Okay, so what is this list tag means? Whenever you want to display the content of the HTML page in a proper list, like one by one, then you will be using the list tag. So how many types of lists are there? We have totally 3 types of list. First one we can consider as like ordered list. What is that? Ordered list. And the second one we have like unordered list. What is that? Unordered list. And third one we have ordered, unordered, and we can say glossary list. Okay, so these are the 3 types of lists we have: ordered, unordered, and glossary list. Ordered list means by default you will be displaying the data in terms of numbers. The ordered can be either a number or a alphabet or a Roman number, like this you can have. Okay, unordered means you will be having like symbols, circle, square, some disc shape, dot, like that. Those are called what? Unordered list. Ordered ante eppudu manaki aa number ni చూసి ఈజీగా అర్థం అవ్వాలన్నమాట. How many values are there? But unordered ante మనకి word document లో ఉంటుంది కదా, circle, star అట్లాగా, అవి ఏమంటాం మనం? Unordered list అంటాం. So for the ordered list, the first one is what? Ordered list. So in the ordered list, we will use the tag called OL. What is that? OL. OL stands for what? Ordered list. And to represent every list of item, we write LI. What is that? LI. So OL stands for ordered list and LI stands for list item. What is that? List item. So OL and LI. So LI is closed. So in one ordered list, we can have multiple list of items, right? So then we can write again LI and write the second list of item and then close the LI. Like this, you can write any list of items, and when they are done, you will close the OL. That is the ordered list. Got it? So now I will show this with an example. So I'm opening the Visual Studio here. Okay, we have created here. Save this file. మళ్ళీ కొత్త ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే you have to click on new file. So I'm writing like ordered.html. Then one file is created. So now here I'm going to write HTML, and then in the head section I'm just making a note like example of ordered list. And then if you want anything in the H1 or H2 heading, that also you can write. In the H2 heading, suppose you want to write like ordered, okay, like list of modules in full stack. So just one heading you want to give, and then we are writing the body tag. So we have to continue with the body tag. So inside the body tag, let us write the OL. OL stands for ordered list. And here in the ordered list, I'm going to write the list of items one by one. So the first list of item, just I'm writing like HTML, just. And then second list of item, I'm going to write like CSS. And the third list of item, I'm going to write like LI, and then I'm going to write like JavaScript. So these are the 3 list of items I want to write. Okay, did I mention anything like it should be number or any character or anything? Nothing. I just wrote it. Now I'm going to save this, and how to run? Press F5 and select the web app, Chrome. So it is displaying like this. So what example of ordered list? This is heading, and this is what? H2 heading we wrote, and then we wrote this in ordered. By default, in ordered list, you will get the numbering. Okay, so if there is a question, what is the default format in the ordered list? What we get? Numbers. If you don't mention anything also in the ordered list, by default, what we get? Numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, like this we get. Is it clear? So like this we will be writing. So now, apart from this, you want any other type. So you can give like type is equal to, like this you want, in small I. Save this and write. So you are getting changed, yes or no, for Roman numbers. So if you don't mention anything, you will be getting like 1, 2. Okay. So but if you are mentioning like what format you want, then you will get in that. Okay, so for getting in a specific format, we are using the attribute called what? Type. What is that? Type. See, remember one thing, these are all called as tags. HTML, head, body, everything is called as what? Tag. So for the tag, anything additionally you want to add, that is attribute. What is that called as? Attribute. So now type is an attribute of OL tag. Type is the attribute of what? OL tag. Then here you are going to write like type is equal to some value. So I just remove here the type and write in the next line. So here OL, this is like normal. And then again, I'm writing one more ordered list. And in this ordered list, I'm writing the list of items like Java, one list of item. And then one more list of item, I'm writing like advanced and advanced Java. Okay, and one more list of item I'm writing here like li, and then here also I'm writing like frameworks. So just I'm mentioning this. So in the list of items, but here in the OL I'm using type attribute, and I'm saying type is equal to I. You can use capital or small, whatever you want, and then saving this, closes, save, and then run the file again. Go back to the browser, refresh it. We got? Okay. So like 1, 2, 3 and Roman numbers 1, 2, 3. Like Java, advanced Java and frameworks. Is it clear everyone? So here the tag is given 2 times. So we got that output there. I'll refresh it. Got it? You can use in the place of Roman number small, or you can use ABC also. What you can use? ABC. Is it clear now about the ordered list? Everyone? Online students, is it clear? Do you have any doubts in the ordered list? Clear everyone? Okay. So now you can ask a question. Ma'am, in ordered list, can I have nested list? Nested list means what? In one list, one more list. Can we have like that? Yes, it is possible. You can write one list inside another list. Suppose, see, when you're talking about Java advanced topic, you have some more items in it. Or when you're talking in CSS, you have some other items also. So how to add it? Inside this li, I'm going to write ol again. What is that? OL means we are going to start one more ordered list. So in this ordered list, I'm going to write li. In this, I'm going to write like we have CSS like types. Internal CSS is one list of item, and one more list of item I'm writing like external CSS. And again, I'm going to write one more list of item like inline CSS, inline CSS. And for this, I'm going to give like type is equal to, I'm going to give A. What is that? A. So now I'm going to close this OL. Yes, OL is closed. So let us save this and go back to the browser and refresh the page. We got what we got? In CSS, again, I have one more list. When you give nested lists, it automatically arranges in proper way. It automatically arranges in proper way. Like in CSS, internal, external, and then what? Inline. Got it? Clear, everyone? So like this, you can have in one list, one more list. అట్లా ఒకటే ఉండొచ్చు అంటే మల్టిపుల్ రాయొచ్చు. మీరు ఎన్ని లిస్ట్ నెస్టెడ్ లిస్ట్ రాయాలన్నా కానీ you can write it. Okay, so either format, anywhere you can write in one list, one more list. So I will also write here for the advanced Java. Here also, if you want to write, I will be writing one more OL, and here I will be writing the list of items like JDBC, one list of item, and one more list of item I will be writing like servlet, and one more list of item I will be writing like JSP. What is that? JSP. Like this we can write. Clear, everyone? So now after this, let us save this, and again you can refresh the page. You will be getting like this. If I don't mention anything, what we'll get? 1, 2, 3 numbers. Clear? Emana doubt undandi? Is it confusing? Okay. Clear? So in one ordered list, you can have the list of items, and you can also have nested list. That means in one list, you can have one more list of item also. Okay. And you can use type attribute to mention the type. Here also in the OL, you want to give a new type, then you can give type is equal to, you can give like small Roman numbers or anything, and then finish. Save this, go back to the browser, refresh. Clear, everyone? Any doubts are there? Online and offline students? So who is sitting in the last, can you hear? Is it visible? Okay. And next, after the ordered list, and you can, as I said, you can write nested ordered list. Next we have like unordered list. What is that? Unordered list. So what is this unordered list means? There is no like proper order. You have to, you get 1, 2, 3 Roman numbers, A, B, C, like that we don't have. So we will be using the tag for unordered list as what? UL. What is that? UL. UL stands for unordered list. Either it is ordered or unordered, LI is common. LI is what? Common. So inside this LI, we will write the list of items. How many you want, you will be writing. And finally, after writing the list item, and then you will be closing like this list of items. So you can write any number of list of items, and then you will be closing the UL. That is what? Unordered list. Clear? So you will be writing like this. UL is for unordered, and then list of items. Clear? So now let us write this example in the Visual Studio. So let us go back here, and I'm creating a new file for unordered list. Unordered list.html. Okay, now I'm going to write here HTML, and then I'm going to write in the head section. Any doubts? No? Okay. So in the head section, now I'm going to write like example of unordered list. Example of unordered list. And then Here I'm going to write the body tag, and inside the body tag we are going to write in H2 some heading, and in the heading tag you can mention like list of database. Just I'm writing it as a heading. Okay, and then next I'm going to write the UL stands for what? Unordered list. So in this UL I'm going to write the list of item. So in the list of item I'm going to write like Oracle database one, and I'm going to write one more database like MySQL, and one more database I'm going to write the list of item like LI, like PostgreSQL. So like this, these are the three list of items we have. I'm going to save this, and then okay, I will run. I'll close this, I'll run again with F5 with the web Chrome. So now here we got the unordered list. I did not mention the type attribute yet. Then type attribute rasanandi లేదు. But we are getting the, by default what we are getting, dots. So that means what? By default, how for ordered list 1 or 1 2 3 is there, here we will be getting dot as the by default. అక్కడ ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ లో 1 2 3 ఎలాగో అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ లో ఇది డిఫాల్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ అన్నమాట. మీరు ఏం మెన్షన్ చేయకపోతే ఇలా వస్తుంది. Clear everyone? So if you want to mention, you can mention the type attribute. Suppose I am writing one more unordered list here. So like I'm writing like UL, and here I'm going to write the list of item, and in this list of item I'm writing like SQL one list of item, and one more list of item I'm writing like PLSQL. So two list of items I wrote. And here for ordered list means you have numbers, Roman numbers, ABCDs. But here for the unordered list we have the type attribute, and we use like type is equal to, you can write circle or you can write like disc shaped, anything you can give. Save this and go back to the browser and run. Okay, disk is like as it is by default. So now if you want to give like circle, you can give circle, save this, go back and run. So you will be getting as what? Circle. Okay, any shape that you want you can mention here. Clear everyone? So this is about what? Unordered list. Okay, someone asked me like, ma'am, how to use the center tag yesterday. I think I forgot. So center tag is used to display the content in between the center of the page. So whatever you write in between the center tag, it will be displayed in the center of the complete web page. See, suppose in the body tag, okay, the body tag is closed here. So let us close after the unordered list. And here after the body tag, okay, displaying the list of databases, here I'm using like center tag. What is that? Center. And I will close this center tag after the UL. Save this, and we got in the center of the page. So whatever the content you're writing in between the center tag, it will be displayed to the center of the page. Any text you want to write it. Okay, but generally for the list of items we won't get that to the center. So for text you can apply it. For this you have a different format that we will discuss. But why we use the center tag? To display the text in the center of the page. So now if you want to display only the heading, so you can write like this before the heading tag. Like I will be writing here center, and this closing can be done after the heading tag like slash center. Save this, go back to the browser and execute. Only this heading came into the center of the page. అంటే ఆ ట్యాగ్ కి మధ్యలో ఏ టెక్స్ట్ రాస్తే, ఏ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ట్యాగ్స్ రాస్తే అది మాత్రం సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద పేజ్ లో డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? Now for this page you want to still improvise and display anything stylishly, then you can also add the background color. What is that? Background color. Body bg color is equal to, suppose you want to add some color like any color, like red or green or yellow, anything you can mention the color bg color. So bg color is what now? Attribute. So body is the tag, BG color is the attribute. That means background color. That is correct. So this is an attribute of what tag? Body tag. So for every tag to apply more styles, we will be having what? Attributes. So now BG color is equal to, suppose you are giving red, the background color will be given as red. Now you can refresh the page. We got the background color as red color. And then suppose you want like pink or something, you can give, save this, and again refresh the page, you get light pink color. Okay, so you can add the styles to your page. Got it? Clear everyone? Now ma'am, I want this separate text, any particular line of the text, instead of using like center tag, I want something in between center of the page, alignment, any heading tag or anything. Suppose you are writing suppose one more heading H3, and here you are writing like some example of SQL queries, some text I'm writing here, and then this is between H3 tag. So now if I save this and run this, it will be by default arranging to the left side of the page. So now you want the alignment to the different. For the every tag, any tag, you have an attribute called, what is that? Align. What is that? Align. Align equal to, you can mention to the right, left or center of the page. Center means you will be getting only into the center tag. But align, you have the attribute where you can arrange the text to any side of the page. Okay, so like align equal to, suppose you are giving like right, so right side of the page. Save this and go back to the browser and then run. So where it came? Right side of the page. Is it clear? So the alignment will be arranged to the right side. So now same as like how we have created nested list in the ordered list, in the same way you can also create nested list in the unordered list also. So how you will write here? Suppose you want to create one nested list here, you can create. Okay, some any topics you want to create here, you can write one more UL and you can write. Any doubts anyone was asking? No. Okay, ma'am, your voice is not audible. Can you hear me now, everyone? Others, can you all let me know? Sneha is telling my voice is not audible. What about others? Can you hear me?
Audible, ma'am.
Audible. Only I think Sneha, just check your connection, ma. Remaining people, all can you hear me? Jansi, Naresh, Sai Priya, Tejasai, everyone. Can you hear me? Sham Kumar, Sai Suraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pujita, Shruti, everyone. Anil, Anugnya. Okay. Okay, I'm just checking. Is the problem from my side or the others? Okay, then. Just check once, Sneha. Okay. So like this, you can be creating the ordered and unordered list. Now inside this, you can create again one more unordered list. For UL, LI I can give here, and here the list of items, again I can give some topics here, like any text, like you have different commands like DDL, and then another list of item like DML and another list of item like DCL for the list of item like DCL. So like this you can also create the nested list. Now I will save this and go back to the browser and run. So we got again one more list. So we can have either in ordered or unordered list like this list of items. In one list, one more. Now, one more question, ma'am. Can we combine both? అంటే ఇప్పుడు నెస్టెడ్ లిస్ట్ మనం ఎలా రాసాం, ఒక ఆర్డర్డ్ లో ఇంకో ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ రాసాం, అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ లో ఇంకొక అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ రాస్తాం. ఆర్డర్డ్ లో అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ కానీ అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ లో ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ కానీ నెస్టెడ్ గా రాయొచ్చా? ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? ఎస్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. మనం ఓఎల్ ఇస్తే ఆర్డర్ వస్తుంది, యూఎల్ ఇస్తే అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ వస్తుంది. సో వీ కెన్ కంబైన్ డెఫినెట్లీ బోత్. You can combine both ordered list ni unordered list ni manam combine cheyochu. Okay, is it clear all? So that example we will be seeing in the next session, okay, on the Monday session. Okay, I will try to send this document. All of you practice the basic tags first. Okay, HTML lo basic structural and presentation tags practice cheyandi. After that you can see this ordered and unordered. First asal basic example meer Visual Studio install avapothe akkade aagipoyi practice aapattu. నోట్ ప్యాడ్ తో చేయొచ్చు కదా, నేను నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో నిన్నటిదా చూపించాను కదా, నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో కోడ్ రాయండి, బ్రౌజర్ లో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయండి డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేసి. ఓకేనా? ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? సో ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, బోత్ ఆన్లైన్ అండ్ ఆఫ్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్? ఎనీథింగ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్? So I request everyone to join Monday also at the same time. Okay, so we'll continue and see some more important tags. We have so many tags in HTML. Step by step, slowly we will be learning. Is it very fast or you following? Okay, online students, are you feeling it very fast or you okay, you're understandable, or you want me to tell little slow? Is it clear? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, then we'll continue in Monday session. Okay, it's clear. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Okay, yes, someone is asking some question.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in between I have asked about indentation right now.
You did not?
I had asked about indentation right now. Indentation.
Okay, 1 second. Can you message me? I'm not able to hear your voice. Someone, you did not receive notes, huh? I think they might have sent you link. Yesterday in the demo 1 session, I have shared you one number to send that a message that you have attended demo 1 session. So if you have sent that message, they will be sending you the link of the Google Classroom so that you can just follow the notes. Okay, that number, 1 second, I have pasted in the document also. Do you have that number?
పోర్ట్ఫోలియో క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు దాంట్లో పిక్చర్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం, అంటే పిక్చర్ గ్రాఫిక్స్, అంటే ఓన్లీ స్ట్రక్చర్ మాత్రం పిక్చర్ కాకుండా. సో మనం అది అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోవడం ఎలా మ్యామ్, అంటే హెడ్ ని మూవింగ్ ఇలా,
అంటే దానికి మార్క్యూ ట్యాగ్ అని అట్లా మీకు మూవ్ అవ్వాలి అటు ఇటు. మార్క్యూ ట్యాగ్ అలా రాస్తే మనకి స్క్రాల్ అవుతుంది ఇమేజ్. అంటే మీరు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా చూపిస్తే నేను ఎట్లీస్ట్ సెర్చ్ చేయగలను. మండే తీసుకురండి, చూస్తాను.
నోట్స్ వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు,
మీ గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లింక్ పంపించుంటారు కదా.
మాది పైథాన్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, నేను ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాను, మీకు నోట్స్ పంపిస్తాను.
దాంట్లోనే అటాచ్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే ఓకే, 1 second. Okay, I have sent the number. Okay, you are asking about indentation in code in the web page. Like what type of indentation you are asking? Like to arrange the page?
Ma'am,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. I'm asking about the indentation in the code while you're writing in the Visual Studio. Is that okay? However, we can write, or else we should write like in a Python in order, ma'am.
So however you want, you can write.
There is no indentation in the code in the Visual Studio, right, ma'am?
No, 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 nothing like that. You can
Yeah.
write. So any more questions?